Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious debate, pasta versus rice. Which carb is the healthier choice? If you're trying to shed a few pounds or want to make smarter food choices, you won't want to miss this. Let's start by breaking down the nutritional content of each. First up, we have pasta. Whole grain pasta typically contains around 200 calories per cooked cup, with about 7 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of fat, and 43 grams of carbs. It also packs a punch with fiber, about 6 grams per serving. Now, brown rice, also around 215 calories per cup, with about 5 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of fat, and 45 grams of carbs. It also contains around 3.5 grams of fiber. So, both are pretty comparable in calories and carbs. Now, fiber is crucial when it comes to weight loss. Higher fiber foods keep you full longer, which can help control your appetite. Whole grain pasta edges out brown rice in fiber content, which can be a game changer if you're looking to stay satisfied without reaching for those unhealthy snacks. Next, let's talk about the glycemic index, or GI, which measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar. Foods with a lower GI are generally better for weight management. Pasta, particularly al dente, has a lower GI than rice, especially white rice. This means pasta can provide longer-lasting energy without those pesky sugar spikes. Both pasta and rice can be incredibly versatile. You can toss in lots of veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. But remember, it's not just about the carbs, what you add to them matters too. So, which is the healthier choice? If you're focused on fiber and a lower glycemic index, whole grain pasta might be your best bet. But if you love rice, don't fret. Choosing brown rice and pairing it with plenty of veggies can keep it a healthy option. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite carb? Pasta or rice? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and recipes to help you on your weight loss journey, click the link below for our exclusive meal guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.